Hi everyone, what is up? My name is Hayley. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you did not know, now you do. Hey you guys, what's up? So in today's video, y'all, I'm going to be talking about luxury closet essentials. Things that I think are important for a luxury closet. I love watching these types of videos because it gives me inspiration and it also introduces me to brands or items that I probably didn't know about before. And so I hope this video does the same for you. You can let me know in the comment section if you have like a luxury closet essential list or what you think is mandatory in a closet. It doesn't necessarily have to be designer or luxury. But yeah, with all that being said, don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. So yeah, the first piece of clothing that I'm going to be talking about is going to be a cardigan slash sweater. If you saw my Gucci unboxing, you would have saw me wearing a beautiful pink sweater, you guys, if I do say so myself. And I talked about how I love this brand. I have the sweater in every single different color. And in today's video, y'all, I'm showing you the white version of this sweater. I know that a lot of people say that jeans, pants, shorts, tops of this sort, blouses are the best investment for luxury designer fashion pieces. But for me, I don't have the body type for those types of things. Even dresses, I don't have the body for luxury dresses. I'm a little bit bigger, a little bit wider, and unfortunately, luxury slash designer brands don't cater to my body type. I'm perfectly fine with that. Like I said, I found cardigans and sweaters that I love to wear, and that's like my key staple item in my wardrobe. So going back to my sweater, you guys, for me, cardigans and sweaters are an amazing luxury investment essential because you will always wear them. I wear this every season, summer, winter, fall, and spring. You know, sometimes not that much in summer, but in the summer it usually gets a little cold or cooler at night. Where I live, it'll be very warm during the day, and it's nice to have something that I can throw on over my shoulders, even if I don't wear it fully, and just to be able to like do what these people do, like where they take their sweaters and just like throw it over your shoulders like this so you have something covering and just have a little bit of warmth. That's something I like to do as well in summer. It's not something where it's specific to one season, it's specific to one outfit. You can get so many different outfits, ideas, and uses out of one little sweater. And the thing for me with designer sweaters or cardigans is that people ask me where they're from. Even though this is a plain white boring sweater, people still ask me where it's from because you can just tell that it's nice. The stitching is amazing, the seams are amazing, the cut is amazing. It just looks higher quality. And I'm not saying that you don't get that from other, let's say, fast fashion brands. You can get that in some of the items that they sell, but it's not every item, and it's not a consistent quality control. And then you start becoming, how do you say, very spoiled in what you purchase because you're like, oh, this sweater, you go somewhere, you touch a sweater, you're like, oh my gosh, this is not good quality. The next item is going to be a blazer. Now I have about 6 or 7 blazers in my closet, you guys. They are mix and match. I have a few H&M and I also have a few designer or like more elevated brand blazers. I will put some on the screen so you guys can see them. I'm not getting every item out of my closet, you guys, so you can see everything that I wear. I'm trying my best, but everything that I take out I gotta put back in, and I'm just too lazy to do that. And so I'll put some on the screen that I really love, that I think are amazing purchases. But a blazer for me is something that elevates an outfit. It's something that can dress up any type of outfit. I'm not a huge fan of the oversized blazers. I like my blazer to be a little long, but I don't like this humongous boyfriend square rectangle refrigerator type blazer style that's like becoming or has become very prevalent. I feel like it's slowly dying out, thank the heavens, because I find it to be so not flattering for my body type. Let's say you have on sport leggings, a sports bra, and then you put a blazer over it. Look chic. You elevated your outfit, you guys, very easily with one article of clothing. Now, if you're the type of person that doesn't want to spend $300, $500, $1,000 plus on a blazer, have no fear, because there are nicer quality options from mid-tier range brands out there. But let's say you don't even have that type of money. That is also fine, you guys, because H&M, Zara, Mango, they have nice blazers too. But the thing is, don't go for the cheapest possible item trying to get the elevated designer look. You do have to shell out a little bit of money, even at H&M, to get a designer sort of dupe or look. And so I would recommend checking out their premium line, saving up a little bit of money to be able to buy the blazer from there. You see a blazer in H&M that's like $20 to $40, let's say. It may look like a good deal, but it's not good quality. You look on over to their premium line, you see a blazer for $60 to $120. Granted, it might be a little bit more money, 3 times, 4 times what you would pay for their non-premium line, but the cut, the quality, and the fit is a lot nicer than the basic divided brand blazer. So the next couple of items are going to be white sneakers and sport sneakers. I feel like the sport chic aesthetic is so me, the comfy, cozy aesthetic with like sport mixed into it. Even though I'm not like the most sport active person, I still like leggings, shirts, nice sneakers, and a nice bag. That's me, who I am. Now, granted, there are sneakers that can cost upwards of $1,000+. Let's say that you're not that person. You can start off with something like a Stan Smith with a Continental 80, I think it is, from Adidas, with a Nike Air Force One, a Nike Pegasus, a Nike Metcon. Those are very nice sporty shoes that I think look amazing, especially on women. Now, let's say that you want something that is a little bit more luxurious. The wonderful Louis Vuitton Beverly Hills are, oh my gosh, you guys, they are beautiful. These are my favorite white sneakers. I think that they have them in different color combinations as well, and not just white with like the hint of like monogram and stuff, but these are my favorite shoes, sneakers from Louis Vuitton. I know that everyone likes, I don't know, is it the Runway or Runaway, the Archlight, those types of sneakers, but these are my favorite. Haven't purchased them yet because I have like 30 something pairs of sneakers, y'all, and I cannot justify buying another pair of sneakers. I think an important thing to note is also that you need to keep your white sneakers white, because a lot of people, they wear them until they get like grungy, dirty, they're stained, they're yellow, someone dropped a pizza on your shoe and they look disgusting. For me, it's more important about how clean your white sneakers are than what brand you are wearing. Of course, I love to see a nice little Alexander McQueen white sneaker pass by me, but if they're dirty and grungy, I don't like to see that. I'd much rather see the Continental from Adidas that I got on sale for 30 bucks or something. I'd rather see those clean, pristine, and white than see the Louis Vuitton Beverly Hills white walking past me, dirty as can be. So continuing this point and talking about sports sneakers, because I only talked about white sneakers, I feel like, and I want to talk explicitly about sports sneakers. And my favorite sports sneakers are going to be APL. I believe they're called the Tech Loom Pro Black sneaker. There are a whole bunch of different sneakers from APL, you guys. They are a more luxury, elevated designer sneaker brand, and I feel like they are very beautiful. They're very unique, and it's also one of those things like, if you know, you know. Not many people know what APL is, but when you know what APL is, you're like, oh, hey girl, what you doing? For the price point, yes, they're pretty high, but you're also getting a really nice manufactured, engineered shoe. So the next item is going to be heeled sandals, you guys. I personally love heeled sandals. I'm not a huge luxury shoe, stiletto, pump person because where I live, we have cobblestones, we have uneven roads, we have places where your shoes will get damaged in day one. And so for me, it makes no sense spending $2,000 on a shoe because I know it will get demolished. But a heeled sandal is a nice, how do you say, middle ground for me. I would never wear a 6-inch stiletto or pump to lunch, but I would wear a cute little kitten heel 2-inch sandal to lunch. I mean, you could be different. You could be wearing 6-inch stilettos to lunch, which good for you, girl, but I can do it. My ankles could never. The perfect heeled sandal for me is the Hermes Oasis, I believe they're called. And a lot of people only buy the Oran sandals, I believe they're called. And I personally think it's just so cute, it's so nice, and it's just like an essential that you can wear all the time, not necessarily in winter and fall, but in spring and summer, you can wear these sandals no matter where you are at and dress up or dress down an outfit depending on how you want to style them. When it comes to purses, I feel like there are only 2 purses you actually need. Everyone will disagree with me and you're probably thinking, what? You have so many purses. That's not true. But if I had to get rid of every single purse that I own and keep 2, or at least like 2 different categories, I would choose these 2. The first one would be a tote. Now, we're gonna have my Louis Vuitton Neverfull because this is like the most popular luxury brand tote in my opinion. This tote gets everything done. She's a queen. She is a what is it called? A working horse. She does everything that you need her to do when it comes to a tote bag. But let's say that you don't want to spend $2,000, how much is now $2,200 with tax on this Neverfull? Y'all, I got something for y'all. Hold on. We have a nice Longchamp Pliage bag. A tote like this is still very much so a luxury essential in my opinion. Some people will argue that Longchamp is not a luxury brand. It is. A lot of people are on a high horse, y'all, when it comes to luxury brands. This is amazing. These bags are so awesome. They're so minimalistic. They just look so nice. When you see a girl with this on, like the outfit that I'm wearing right now, I have jeans and a white shirt on. Have this on with some nice sneakers or even some nice sandals. I look cute. I look like I'm doing something important. I look put together. And so a tote, in my opinion, is something that you need. So the next category of bags is going to be a black fabric or black leather bag with gold hardware. I chose the Louis Vuitton Alma because a lot of people consider this a very luxury bag. A lot of people consider this a very dressy bag. Since owning it, it's actually a very casual bag in my opinion because of the strap. It's more of like a thicker guitar strap, sort of, you know, not necessarily, but it's thicker. I feel like chain straps are more dressy, but the reason I think a black bag with gold hardware is so important because you can wear it with everything. You can dress it up, you can dress it down. I mean, if you're a silver girl, then you get silver, but black with a contrasting metal is something that is chef's kiss. The next section, you guys, is going to be accessories / miscellaneous items. The first thing I'm going to be talking about, and I'm going to zoom through this, gold hoop earrings. Now these are from Ana Luisa, you guys. I love these earrings. I think these are the Tia medium earrings. They are amazing. I know there are some people that debate and say that hoop earrings are not luxury, they're not designer, they're not classy, they're not beautiful. Those people cannot be trusted, y'all. Just don't listen to those people. Gold hoops, silver hoops, white gold hoops, all types of hoops, you guys, are so beautiful, and I think everyone should have them. They don't necessarily have to be these big, these thick. They can be thin, they can be long, they can be wide, they can be short, they can be huggies even. It does not have to be a humongous hoop. And that's the good thing, or the beautiful thing about hoops, is that you can customize them or find a hoop that matches who you are, your personality, your style, your aesthetic. When you have your makeup done, you have your hair done, you have a nice outfit on, and you're trying to debate on what to wear for jewelry, I prefer dainty jewelry, but a nice statement hoop is something amazing. The next item is going to be a pair of luxury sunglasses, y'all. If you would have saw my unboxing video, you would have heard me talking about a pair of sunglasses that I didn't purchase instead of the Bottega ones, but did I maybe get them as well? And these are the Burberry Daphne sunglasses. Now, y'all. Oh, hello, who are you? There are just some things that are worth the extra money. And for me, luxury sunglasses are an amazing essential to have because you always need sunglasses. And every season, I mean, if it's raining constantly where you live, probably not. But if you have sun, even in winter, even in fall, in spring, you need sunglasses. I would personally recommend going for a more neutral color or style. So no humongous cat eyes, no white or bright orange sunglasses. Get a gold aviator, get a silver aviator, get a neutral brown, get a black, and then try to dabble your toes in the eccentric world of sunglasses, because there are some crazy sunglasses out there. The last and final item for miscellaneous things is going to be a card holder, you guys. The reason I included a card holder is because I didn't want to include a wallet because A, some people don't have bags that are big enough for wallets, and B, I feel like wallets step over a specific price point. You can still get card holders for a very affordable price from all different types of luxury and designer brands, and so you can fit everything you need in here. And this is just something that if you want to dabble in luxury, you still want an actual item that maybe falls in the category of accessories and not in, I have no idea, shoes, not in perfume. You want an actual item that you can use on a daily basis. It will be this. Not necessarily the Louis Vuitton version, it can be any version. I'm using my YSL card holder right now, and I get so much use out of this, and it's very minimal wear and tear, as you can see. Like, this isn't really poking out, the ridges are still very nice, and you can use it all the time. And it's just nice, you know, you pull this out of your purse, out of your pocket, and you have this in your hand. They just feel amazing. And I do have to say that I've had Michael Kors card holders, and comparing it to my YSL or Louis Vuitton card holder, it hasn't lasted. I've had this for a few years now, and my Michael Kors one that I just got rid of, I had it for, I want to say 8 months, and it was completely ruined, and I didn't use it any less or any more than this Louis Vuitton one. I just recommend card holders. I think they're amazing. They're a nice accessory to have. So yeah, with all that being said, you guys, I hope you liked this video. I hope you found something that you love in my list of luxury essentials. Other than that, thank you so much for watching, you guys. I love y'all. Have a wonderful day, and bye.